Hey Glam Fam! So today we are going to be doing something a little different on my channel. I'm going to be showing you how to take off a full face of makeup. And as you can see, I have a full face of makeup on right now and I've had it on all day. The only thing I don't have on that I usually do are lashes, but that is because they were super long and I had to take them off earlier today. I have actually had a lot of requests to do a how to remove makeup video. I decided to do it. Right, so honestly, the first thing that you want to make sure that you have is some kind of really good lighting, and so you can make sure you got everything off of your face, which leads me to the sponsor of this video. Do you see it? Do you see it? It's so awesome! Look at it. Look at the box. Look at the box. Now, look at the product. Look at the product. Oh, there's my camera. Look how gorgeous this mirror is, guys. Oh my goodness. Let's turn it on. You have 3 touch buttons here, and the first one is power. This is the mirror on, and you can actually press this button right here to dim or brighten. And to be honest, that's super helpful when it comes to getting up in the morning to get ready, because no one wants super bright lights all the time, all day long. So you have choices with this. Look how easy that is. Oh my gosh, that is so exciting. Ooh. This would be actually cute for like some product shots. Also, when you turn it on, it remembers the settings that you had last on the mirror. So it remembers what settings you like, which is really cool. It also has color adjustment. So warm, cool, neutral. Warm, cool, neutral. Warm, cool, neutral. Hopefully the camera is picking that up. Hopefully. I am super excited because this product is honestly, oh my gosh, so well made. Anyway, so this is the BSLE or Bissell. I'm not 100% sure how to pronounce the brand. This is the Light Luxury LED makeup mirror. This mirror is powered by electricity, so it just plugs into your outlet, so you don't have to worry about batteries. This mirror is 12 by 14, 12 being width, 14 being height. There are 12 bulbs, and the buttons on the bottom of the mirror are touch sensitive. It has a 360-degree swivel function. It rotates all the way around. And the mirror itself is so clear, and the quality of this mirror is literally out of this world and amazing for the price. You could use this mirror in your bedrooms, bathrooms, hair salons, for weddings, dressing rooms, and many more places. It comes in 3 colors, black, silver, and gold, and you can get it on Amazon. I will link this mirror in the description below for anyone that wants to check it out. This video is sponsored by them, but you guys already know I keep it real on my channel, so if I don't like something, I will 100% let you know, and this is not one of those products. This product is amazing. All right, let's get into this video. If you are new here, hello, my name is Josie, and I hope you will click that subscribe button down there to become part of the Glam Fam, and maybe hit the like button on this video if you like it. And yeah, I'm trying to get my watch time up, so if you are bored and or don't have anything to do, it would be absolutely amazing if you could watch a few of my videos all the way through, just to boost it up just a little bit, and I would really appreciate that. So without further ado, let's get into makeup removing. By the way, I am using this mirror for removing my makeup right now, and I've used it a couple times to do my makeup. It's great. It's great. Alright guys, so this is a simple makeup removing video. This is not my nightly routine. This is purely just to get the makeup off. The three main things that I like to use when I'm taking off makeup is some kind of cleansing oil. It can be, this is one of my favorites. This is Clinique's Take the Day Off. Or it can be coconut oil. It can be olive oil. It can be a regular cleansing oil from a different brand. Just some kind of cleansing oil. And that's gonna help get the waterproof and dark colors off, like your mascara, your eyebrows, lips, eyes. If you're someone like me, you want to not have to scrub your face. It's very unhealthy for your face to just take a beating every single day. And then the next thing you're gonna need is a micellar water. So this is by Collab. They're also called a cleansing water. The Collab one I really, really like because it doesn't upset my skin, and I also really like it because it doesn't have a strong scent. So, cleansing oil, micellar water or a cleansing water, and a lotion. That is what you'll need. Make sure you put your hair up because this can get messy. Also, take your jewelry off. Peep my little bat clip. All right, you're gonna take your lashes off if you have them on. You're gonna take your cleansing oil, and literally you just need a tiny bit, tiny. Very gently, we're just going to put this on the darkest portions of our face. So, as you can see, mine is the eyes, the eyebrows, the lips. So, we're just going to dab this on, dab it on the eyebrows, put it on the lips. You're gonna see this break down super fast. All right, so we're gonna rub in circular motions to get this makeup off. Woo. See, it's already getting really messy. And this is gonna get real messy, but that's okay. And now we're gonna move to the rest. Oh my God. I look like the Joker. We're just gonna keep going. And this is gonna look really crazy at first, but let me tell you, cleansing balms, coconut oil are really, really good for getting dark makeup off. Also regular makeup. Look how easy that liquid lipstick came off, guys. Then what I like to do is either take a washcloth, a paper towel, a makeup wipe, and we're just going to firstly clean our hands off and then wipe our face off. And so if you have rubbed this cleansing oil in enough, everything will come off.
And it may look like I am rubbing kind of hard, but I really am not. Just going in circle motions with this as well. Moving down. Slowly but surely, everything is coming off my face.
Just gonna take another one, just do the final cleanup. Now that we have the majority of our makeup off, we are now going to go in with our cleansing water. You're either going to want a cotton round, a paper towel. I personally like to use a paper towel for this because honestly, I use the cleansing water just to get any remaining makeup off. So we're just gonna take this and put a couple splashes on to the paper towel, and we're just going to run this all over our face. And you'll be able to see that the cleansing balm may have not gotten everything, but that is why we are going in with the cleansing water. See? All right, so that's pretty dirty, so I'm just gonna go in one more time. We are just going to move on to the moisturizing. Now this is by Ebino Skincare. This is the retinol moisturizer. Listen, I'm approaching 30 and I need all the help I can get. We're just gonna take some, put it on our face, just work it in.
Especially where we're getting wrinkles. But that's just a fact of life. Don't let it get you down. Sometimes it gets me down, but you know what? I try.
Bring this down our neck. I'm sorry if you guys can hear it storming. It's literally thunderstorming right now. Here we go. This is my face, completely removed of makeup, and this is how I do it. That is how I remove my makeup, and I really hope you enjoyed it. And also, don't forget to check out this amazing bad boy in the description below. My cats want me to play with them really bad, so I gotta go. Bye. Wow. Yeah? Yeah? You play fetch?